Hi boys and girls, I'm going to teach you how to play target number. So you need dry erase materials and 5 dice to play this game. You can play with 2 to 4 players. So here's how we play. So the first person takes the dice and they roll just 2 of them. So I got a 6 and a 3. So I can pick to have my target number be 63 or 36. So I'm going to first write down my target number. And I'm going to pick 36 as my target number this time. Okay? And now I pass the dice around and all of my teammates also roll their target number. Once we all have our target number, we have to take a turn rolling one more time. So now I'm going to roll all 5 die, and these are going to give me my 5 numbers to work with in order to get my target number. Okay, so the numbers that I have to work with today, looks like I have 2 3s, 2 4s, and a 5. So I'm going to write down my numbers. Okay. So, with those numbers, it's my goal to use the operations addition, subtraction, or multiplication to get as close as possible to my target number. So I'm going to use these 5 numbers, and I have to use all 5 of them, and I can use any of these operations, adding, subtracting, or multiplying. All my teammates will roll their numbers, and then we'll start. I would suggest coming up with a time together, like we're all going to have 3 minutes to work through this round, or coming up with a time that works for you guys so everyone has an exact amount of time. So now, once everyone's ready to go, you can maybe set your iPad timer for 3 minutes, but you can work through a solution and you want to try and get as close to 36 as possible. So I might say, I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. And then maybe I want to add on my 5. So I've used my 3, my 5 now. And that equals 14. Ooh, and then maybe I want to take that number and I'm going to multiply 4 by 4, which equals 16. And I'm going to add 16 to 14. So I got 30 on my first try. So if you look, my target number, the number I was trying to get is 36. So if you think I am 6 away from my target number, the goal is to get as close to it as possible. If you get 36, you are as close as possible, so you automatically get a point for getting your exact target number. So if I'm not happy with that and I think I can get closer, I can try again and keep trying until time is up. And then, when the time goes up, whether your timer goes off or you realize that it's been enough time, you'll all check and see who got closest to their target number. If you got closest to the target number, you get a point for that round, and you will play rounds until the first person who gets 5 points wins. If you have time, you can play again. Have fun!